Hi, I'm Dr. Zarif, and you probably know me better by my book, What Should I Eat and When Should I Eat It? We're going to make together a little syrup called ginger syrup. And ginger syrup is very easy to make, but it's so wonderful because it has medicinal properties. Yes, antispasmodic. It also helps you to relax, get a deeper sleep, and is wonderful on your throat, especially for you future stars out there, you vocalists. Let's go ahead and start. All you need is just a couple of teaspoons of ginger, ground ginger, and you can have your choice of agave, or you can use grade B maple syrup, okay? Very easy. So let's use agave, okay? Now, you probably know this from tequila because this is the same plant that's used to make tequila. All you do is you add about just a little bit. We're not going to have a lot of tea, right? You can use this and it goes a long way. We take our spoon and all you do is mix it like this. Mix it in really good. You see that? And what will happen after you continue to mix it is all of the solid ginger will turn right. It will actually start to mix well. See that? Now it's one consistency. Oh man, let's smell it. It smells delicious. This is just ginger syrup, and you can use it with any syrup. Now you can also use fresh ginger, except with the fresh ginger you have to squeeze out the oils for you to actually get the full effect. You pour your tea in. There you go. You take your spoon. You put that amount on it. Let's say this is a little dessert spoon, and that's just about enough. We drop it into the tea. We let it dissolve, a little mix here and there you have it. You have nice, fresh ginger syrup for your tea. And that's another great idea from nature.